We put this upside
It's
down.
like hair.
Fan goes to the bottom, which is why don't you want it on the floor.
Got it.
Alright. And if you put on the top, plus airflow equals boom boom.
What?
Why am I doing this? Alright, Luke. Flip this over. Put it here. And make sure this side. Alright, wait, let me find the side with the screws. This side screw is that way so you can plug it in the thing. And it's grounded, so you can't really electrocute it. Come on, you got
Your
this.
cable.
Slide down, come on. It's a grip on the bottom. Okay. There we go. And then open up the accessory kit.
Cables.
Open up the accessory kit.
What do you mean accessories?